ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯏꯆꯟ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯅꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ PCCꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯛ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ it is not a political ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯇꯔ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ the youngsters future generations ke akhoi haurakliba mayam sing sigi leiham leiraroi aduna akhoi punna mayam community khudimak manipur da ariba matam dagi akhoi leiraba isini naw mayam se amaga nuksinadravati political gi line tu bi ai adagi governance ta bi ai adagi business ta bi ai adagi industry ta bi ai every activities of life masida akhoi amaga nuksinaba amaga respect tawnaba natradi akhoi manipur si loire prithvi punamakta sabak phai akhoi gi nuksinadaba mayam aduna akhoi nuksinabagi thamoigi paujel with the advent of the merry christmas achigi akhoi thamoi sengna lakjabani adu mayam masi phajana nuksinana nuksiba wahai mayam thambibasida hena amuk thamoida nuksiba fawi I am so thankful to you all. Aduna aina thamjaning basi Manipur gi hojik lady basi sahi tha taraga mapan violence maina thok basi di amutta udri hoi mamang da violence thok ki balai adu leader sing unai kathin da akhoi gi security leiba jaga da akhoi gi kathin kami nei office leiba jaga singa office ta kami nei adu irang maya mama violence thokrabasu asuk sathi ba violence ti akhoi nu khidri aduna violence sanjalan ba haibasidi akhoi it cannot be possible by force it can restore peace by open understanding amaga nuksinaba amaga thamoigi nuksiba humanitarians akhoi gi oiba wahai nuksinabana akhoi gi violence lepangamgani with a strong command enforcing the law and the order effectively tasing na government magi thauna sakti magi effectiveness to control the administration there in the state leibak asida lenga phajana leirakanda akhoi amaga nuksinana adagi lona yadaba mayam ngakpatai that is the duty of the government adagi law is to be enforced by the government aduga parjaga khanapati yade adunani aina akhoi amaga nuksinaraga misunderstanding leiba mayam singsi poraga adagi sarkarna leibak phajana ngaaga parja mayam khanan basi natabna akhoi the future of Manipur will be there aduna maram oirkanda akhoi se sumaina nuksinana leiba natrabadi violence lepangamoi mipung khudimak amaga khanaba mipung khudimak amaga nuksinadaba sarkarna mathau tawdaba violence sungle lepangamoi it is quite impossible to stop the violence aduna maram oirkanda ngasi akhoi nuksinabasina akhoi gi future ni akhoi isa singi adagi larik tambada loina disturb tawre thabak phangdabagi awaba leiriba sing naha sing ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯊꯥꯗꯒꯗꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯗꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯕ. It cannot bring the hopes of the youth. aduna maram oirkanda aikoi leiriba mayamsi violence aikoi lephangadabani sarkarna aikoi amaga nuksinaba understanding pore hairaga ngasi violence se masi aikoi lepnanaba honabagi appeal mafam khudingmaktagi mayam praja Chandial gi praja degi adegi tongan da district sing degi aikoi kholau tangai fataba lei. That is our right. That should be our demand. Maram aduna masigi si masu ekoi masidi masi misi bina kaya hundreds of people were died. Thousands of people in the relief camp the like mayam singi awama the painful pain in the sorrows pubangam de thamoida mayam suga mamoy masidi ekoi sarkarna loisanaba honagadabani. Still we demand to the government, to the central and the state government, we continue to demand to end this violence. Sini ekoi na matam punamakta thamoi digi haijibisi. It's not a political matter. It's a simple request, simple appeal. Being a citizens of India, peoples of Manipur, ekoi gi thamoi digi haijabani. Aduna masi sarkar gi mathauni. The responsibility, the accountability is the government only. Aduna ekoi hojik sudum sarkar haijai masi ekoi collectively work tausi. Loinana ngasi sarkar sigi tangdu leita tamba sarkar gi failures myam siksina lebak praja myam wahalibasi sida natana ngasi gi irang ngasi de yaudaba community khudimaksu suffer tauri. The Tangkhuls, Nagas, Chandial gi isinina mayam sisu suffer tauri. Ngasi leiribadi lairik tamakanda thabak phangdabagi awaba mayam ama naha singda leirigai maraksida sarkarna piba scheme center government na piba scheme state government na sahi gi pigadabi scheme mayam piba ngamtadina lei. For example sahi mari ADC gi election tawraktre